Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelations. So today we're going to learn how to grill or saute vegetables in Agaro's air fryer. The model is elegant. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the video. For that, take the vegetables of your choice, clean them, dice them and add it into a bowl. Here I've taken carrot, zucchini, broccoli, onion and capsicum. Now add in the spices of your choice. Here I've taken 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Gently toss all the vegetables. Put the vegetables into the air frying basket. Then from the preset cooking menu function, select sauteed vegetables and the temperature directly sets to 160 degrees centigrade with the timing being 15 minutes. As mentioned earlier, in air fryer you need to gently toss the food item for even cooking. So after about 9 to 10 minutes I have taken out the vegetables. Gently toss it and place it again into the air fryer and continue cooking. So after about 15 minutes our vegetables have cooked perfectly. It took just 1 tablespoon of oil. So for more healthy air frying recipes, please stay tuned. Also, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.